Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw tasks from Zoho Projects with dependency handling, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin withdrawing tasks from Zoho Projects with dependency handling, log in to your Zoho Projects account. Navigate to the specific project that contains the tasks you wish to withdraw. Open the Tasks section within your project dashboard. Identify the tasks you want to withdraw. Before proceeding, ensure that you check the dependencies linked to these tasks. Select each task individually to view its details. Review the dependencies displayed on the task detail page. If the task you intend to withdraw has dependent tasks, you will need to address these relationships first. Determine whether you need to complete, reschedule, or remove those dependencies. Once you have managed the dependencies, return to the tasks list. Select the task you wish to withdraw. Click on the Withdraw option, usually found in the Task Actions menu. Confirm the withdrawal action in the pop-up dialog box that appears. After confirming, the task status will change to indicate that it has been withdrawn. Ensure to notify any team members affected by this withdrawn task. Monitor your project's overall progress to accommodate this change. Review your project planning to make adjustments if necessary. Repeat these steps for any additional tasks you need to withdraw. Finally, keep track of how these changes impact your project timeline and deliverables. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.